The Canadian government is potentially giving away Vancouver land rights to an Aboriginal band called the Musqueam. The government released a statement on February 20th recognizing Musqueam Aboriginal rights, including the title to the land, which means if the band and the government agree to it, they could potentially seize any of the land in the surrounding areas. And this has the potential to displace almost 2 million people. But this wasn't even the worst part of the betrayals to the many families that live in Vancouver who could possibly be affected and displaced by this decision. Among the ministers a part of this negotiation and signing of the agreement was Wade Grant, a Liberal MP representing a riding in Vancouver with over 115,000 people in it. And previously, Grant served on the Musqueam First Nations Band's council for 10 years, meaning he was literally on both sides of the negotiation table. This is the ultimate conflict of interest. This is the warning to Canadians that say, oh, it's just a land acknowledgement. This is a case that outlines that all you need to seize ancestral land of First Nations people is to negotiate it. In any part of the country where the same conditions apply, this is a possibility. And there are many more. This is a map of land they've occupied historically. This can all be affected. This is a map of Indigenous rights claims or assertions of rights that they have been included in the system that they could potentially take next. And these are the areas that already have court cases that they're fighting for or have gotten. So whenever you hear these land acknowledgments asserting that they're on the ancestral land of any of these tribes, think of that as a reminder that they can take the government to court and fight for the right of that land back, which potentially means you losing the right to your own land if you're in these areas. So no, it's not just a land acknowledgement. It's an acknowledgement that you don't have rights to the land that you're on. By the way, in order to cover the Liberal Convention this April, I'm asking for your help to fund the trip. Link in my bio if you can help, and it's much appreciated.